After you practice and mastered your Arabic alphabet, now you need to know that these and every single letter of this Arabic alphabet comes in different shapes and different positions and forms. It can be at the start of the word, in the middle of the word, or at the end of the word, most of them like this. So when letters are joined, they usually take different shapes than being separate or in their own. So this is how most of the letters will look like. So for example, for the letter ba, so this is single ba. But when it comes at the start of the word, it be like this, ba, and this is medial ba in the middle, and this is final ba. Same, ta, ta, ta. The most important thing here to master them is to know the number and the place of dot. So here, ba, we know that it has only one dot, and this dot comes under the the tooth. So this one we call it tooth. So this is tooth or chair of the letter, and then under it there is the one dot. Ta comes two dots on top. Tha, three dots on top. As for jim, we have three similar letters in shape: jim, ha, and kha. So for jim, so when they come to be joined, we focus on the head of the letter. So jim has the head and one dot under the head. So jim, jim, jim. Ha has no dots. Ha, ha, ha. Kha, one dot on top. Kha, kha, kha. So here we have seen. Seen is, you can simply recognize it with three teeth, plain teeth. Seen, seen, seen. Sheen, the three teeth with three dots on top. Sheen, sheen, sheen. Many people they mix this sheen with tha. Look, this is tha. One tooth, three dots. Sheen, three teeth, three dots. Sheen, sheen, sheen. Sad. So sad, dad, ta, va, they are four sisters. So only we take the head of each. So just notice the shape of everyone. Sad, sad, sad. Dad, same like sad but with a dot on top. Dad, dad, dad. Ta, it has like alif on top. Ta, ta, ta. And then va, there's alif on top and dot. Va, va, va. For ayn and ghayn, ayn like this. It looks like when it comes at the start, it looks like hamza, but actually it joins with the letter after it, and it's big. It's bigger than hamza. So here ayn in the middle and final, it comes different. Ayn, ayn. Ghayn same, but with a dot on top. Ghayn, ghayn, ghayn. Fa, 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 fa. It's like a circle with a dot on top. Qaf, 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 qaf with two dots on top. Kaf. This kaf is actually its shape on its final only. So kaf, and what's in the middle? This is not hamza in the middle. This is kaf. This is small kaf written in the middle here. So at the start, it looks like this. Kaf. Many people, they mix it with the ya, so be careful. Kaf, kaf, kaf. And sometimes actually it comes like this kaf, small one. Lam, 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 lam. Many people mix this with alif, but alif can't be like this. Lam joins with what's after it. Alif doesn't join with what's after it. It joins only with what's before it. Lam can be joined with what's before and after. So alif, not like this. Some people mix it with dal, but actually lam is tall and dal is short. Meme. Meme is recognized by being one circle or one eye. Meme, meme, meme. Noon, 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 noon. Again, you compare it with ba, ta, and tha. This is one tooth and one dot on top, which recognize it. Ha, has two eyes or two circles, one big and one small inside. Ha. In the middle, it comes like this. Ha. When it's final, it becomes like this, like one circle, but you can obviously recognize it from the other meme, from the meme. Ha, ha, ha. Hamza. This is Hamza. Hamza can come on its own, standing on its own on the line, or can be on top of Alif, or beneath Alif, or on top of a tooth. So, or even on top of Ya or on top of Waw. Whenever you see Hamza, you no longer call it Alif or Waw or Ya, you call it Hamza actually. The name of the letter now is Hamza. So this is not Alif, this is Hamza. Hamza, Hamza. And how you pronounce this Hamza, we will know it when it comes with the other things on top of beneath it as we will study. As for Ya, 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 Ya. So basically this Ya is the final shape only. When it comes in the middle or start, it be like this. One tooth and two dots under it. Now we have something else, which is the selfish letters or the orphan letters. These letters don't join in writing with what's after them. So they can join with what's before them only. So here we have six letters. Alif. It has two shapes. Alif standing on its own, or Alif joining to what's before it. It can't join to what's after it. It makes a gap or a space between it and the other letter. Dal, dal, dal. Dhal, dhal, dhal. Ra, ra, ra. Zay, zay, zay. Wow, wow, wow. We have extra special shapes for some of the Arabic alphabet, like kaf, as we said. So remember that this kaf is the final shape, and the small one on top, it's not hamza, it's kaf. That's why sometimes you will see actually kaf comes like this at the start, or maybe in the middle as well. Ta, we knew the three shapes of ta. However, ta sometimes when it's round ta or closed ta, it becomes like this. Circle or circle like this, and then with two dots on top. And here we have ha. Ha becomes like this sometimes, and like a little V some other times. As for Hamza, as we said, it might be on top of Waw or top of Ya or even beneath the tooth. So we call it Hamza, Hamza, Hamza. We have some other special combinations. Some letters join to some other letters in a special way. So when lam comes with alif, we call it lam alif. Again, lam alif. They can be together like this, or you can clearly tell that this is lam and this is alif. So when they stand on their own, they be like this. When they join to a letter before them, they be like this. Lam alif, lam alif. Or lam hamza. Lam and hamza, they come together like this. And the hamza can be on top of alif or under the alif, but we call it hamza basically. Lam hamza, lam hamza. Lam and meme, they be like this. Meme comes under the lam. Lam meme. Lam ha. So lam ha, لام ها لام ها لام ها لام ها. So something else when letters like ba, ta, tha, noon, ya, and mim comes with any of the three letters jim, ha, kha. They take different shape. They come combined with each other. So ba, jim, it's like this. So you focus on the tooth. The tooth is here, but it's upside down. And what's under the tooth? So here you have this one dot. This means that it's ba. And the jim or the ha or kha. If it's this is the head, and then there's one dot under it, so this is basically this is jim. If it's a ha, there will be no dot here. If it's kha, the dot will be on top. So ba jim, ta jim, tooth and two dots and jim, tha jim, noon jim, ya jim. Meme becomes on top of the letter like this. Meme, jim. Don't do the same with jim and with ha and kha. So can be ba ha or ba kha, ta ha, ta kha, etc. Have a practice on this. Make sure that you master it before you move to the next step.